to another vlog as I'm going against traffic. Beautiful day. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to the latest and greatest Patreon member, Max Etchels. Max Etchels is actually a big part of the commenting and you know, talking and all that, which I appreciate. Much appreciate his input. Thank you so much for being a supporter on Patreon as well. Have a little Patreon page, as you may or may not know. Anyway, freaking yeah, that happened. The latest and greatest event is that, like, fucking I cannot get away from plumbing issues. I mean, it's I guess it's good problems to have, but my other property literally has plumbing issues with the sink. With the sink in the bathroom, faucet in the kitchen, and then fill line in the hall bathroom, and also the pump. Like, I don't know how, I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why those people are looking at me. I think they hate me. That one lady rolled her eyes. I think they're probably not impressed with my speed. You boys gonna have to go. For the love of sweet dick. I know you're not into the whole thing, but you have to be. Alright, so all those issues, right? And on top of it, the fucking AC units, the HVAC units need to be steam cleaned. You know what's funny? Like, all of these issues that I'm talking about, they're all just words. They mean nothing to anybody except for me. For me, they're action items. For me, this is like hours of effort and dollars of monies. For everybody else, it's just words. And you know what? Another funny thing is, by the time I by the time I post this vlog, I'm probably gonna be done with literally every single one of these things. You people are fucking stupid. There we go. Bam bam. I'm so lazy, man. I don't want to do anything about anything. I don't want to go fucking, because the problem with this, well, it's not a problem. This will require a trip to the condo, and then it will require a trip to Home Depot or whatever. You know what I mean? So yeah, there's definitely a few things that are gonna happen. Anyway, it's gonna be all right. Boy is splitting good. I think he was just relaxing for a second there. Long story short, always shit to do. Never a dull moment. Never. Not once. Not motherfucking half a time. Bitch ass. I don't want to do anything. Why can't I? So many motorcycles today. Jeez Louise. That's like 4th motorcycle today. It's fucking adorability. Should have stayed behind that rider, but if only that person was split and they were chilling. You're fine, thanks. There we go. Thank you. Squid life. My boy squidding in them low-cut vans. Speaking of being totally adorable, can't even split behind me. Grrr. Sweet grrr. Anyway. Total adorability. Yup. Little scrambler boy. Long story short, impossible is nothing. Buy the ticket, take the ride. I am lucky enough to be a landlord. So. Just look at this shit. I get to do stuff like this. I get to do stuff like this for fun. You bitch. Should have fucking gunned it, but I didn't. I was like just swerving about. Now I gotta wait like a fucking pickle of dills. Anywho, thanks, Max. Max, all the faucets are your fault, you punk ass. Fuck. The worst part is this, like, instead of one issue, there's 4. But like, for example, like the line for the fucking toilet fill-up bowl needs to be replaced. What does that even mean? That's the problem with these fucking fancy buildings. They're like they're bored. I guarantee I'm gonna show up and I'm not gonna even see these issues. Fucking bitch ass motherfuckers. Bitch. The most beautiful part is that okay. Jesus. Anyway, all right, let's calm down. Let's all calm down because I feel like I'm too excited. I'm at a 10. You know what I mean? I should be at like, you're fine. Don't worry about it. You're good. All right. Jeez. At least I get to ride my bike to go fix these issues, you know? At least I get to cruise about, which is fine. Go ahead, sir. You got this. Why do I do that? I have no idea. I don't know. Fuck. I don't know half of it. Because sometimes, well, I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna listen to music, and I'm gonna dance. I literally do these. Maybe I'll show you someday. I do these few dances. Anyway, all right, whatever. Bye.